Imagine being able to witness the invisible tug-of-war happening at the atomic level inside materials that power our modern world. This isn't science fiction. It's a breakthrough discovery made possible by cutting-edge technology. A team of international researchers has just unveiled how electron-hole pairs, generated when light interacts with quantum dots, subtly influence the surrounding atomic lattice. Their findings could reshape how we design next-generation solar cells and light-emitting diodes, LEDs. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This phenomenon, though minuscule, holds the key to unlocking unprecedented advancements in optoelectronics. To break it down, let's start with the basics. When sunlight or any form of light strikes certain materials, such as semiconductors, it triggers the creation of what scientists call electron-hole pairs. Think of these pairs as two partners in a dance. The electrons are energized and begin moving freely within the material, leaving behind holes, which are essentially positive gaps. These holes aren't static. They too can move through the material. Both the electrons and the holes carry electrical charges, and as they travel, they exert forces on the atoms in the material's crystal lattice, causing slight deformations. Now here's where things get tricky and incredibly intriguing. These deformations are so subtle that they've remained largely undetectable until now. Using ultra-fast X-ray flashes from the European XFEL, the world's largest X-ray laser located near Hamburg, Germany, researchers have finally been able to capture this barely perceptible effect. With the help of the X-ray laser's incredibly rapid pulses, we were able to visualize changes that occur within fractions of a second, explains Johann Bielecki, a scientist involved in the study. The ability to observe these atomic scale shifts is akin to using a high-speed camera to film the movement of atoms. The study focused on a specific type of quantum dot, a nanoscale structure made of cesium, lead, and bromine, CSPBBR3. Quantum dots are remarkable because their properties defy classical physics and must be understood through the lens of quantum mechanics. In this experiment, when light interacted with the CSPBBR3 quantum dot, electron-hole pairs formed. Due to their electrical charges, these pairs pulled on the atoms in the crystal lattice, creating a distortion akin to two people tugging on a flexible net. This localized deformation is referred to as an exciton-polaron in physics. While the deformation might only affect a handful of atoms, its implications are anything but small. It plays a critical role in determining the optical and electronic behavior of the material. The deeper we understand these deformations, the better equipped we'll be to engineer materials with enhanced properties, says Zhou Shen, lead author of the study and a researcher at the Max Planck Institute for the Structure and Dynamics of Matter. For example, this knowledge could pave the way for more efficient displays, advanced sensors, and other groundbreaking technologies. But why does this matter for the future? Well, think about the devices you use every day. Smartphones, TVs, solar panels, all rely on the interaction between light and materials. By understanding and controlling these interactions at the atomic level, scientists hope to develop components that are not only more powerful, but also more energy efficient. What we've demonstrated here is just the beginning, Shen adds. It opens up possibilities for tailoring these effects to create even better optoelectronic devices. This research, published in the journal ACS Nano, marks the significant milestone in material science. However, it also raises thought-provoking questions. Could tweaking these atomic-level interactions lead to entirely new classes of materials? Or might there be unforeseen challenges in scaling up these discoveries for practical applications? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think this breakthrough will revolutionize technology as we know it? Or are there limitations we haven't considered yet? For those interested in diving deeper, the full study, titled Direct Observation of the Exciton-Polaron in Single CSPBBR3 Quantum Dots, is available in ACS Nano, DOI 10.1021, ACS Nano 5CO6716.